let's jump straight into this night routine. First of all, I'm using Vaseline on the lips. I'm getting it all over the corners, the tops, the bottoms. Get it on your face a little bit, you know, because you want everything to be nice and greasy. This is Centella Asiatica. I love this serum. You can use it in the daytime, at nighttime, and I'm massaging it all over my face, making sure to get underneath the eyes, especially pull those wrinkle areas down and get that moisturizer up in there so it can feel it. And then I'm taking my fingers and using it like a gua and I'm massaging any excess fluids which could create wrinkles and nodules and pulling it down into my lymph node area, getting that eye area, you know, so you don't look so baggy and tired, and pull that out. Massage your face because you got to create the habit. This is lactic acid by The Ordinary, and I use this for the texture areas of my face. Massage it in just like how I did the previous serum. Mind somebody else's business, girl, mind your business. And I'm massaging everything into my face really good, making sure to just create that moisture, getting underneath the eye, massaging it, because if you don't massage your face, you're not going to create that habit of your face feeling like it can absorb your moisturizers. And now I'm getting everything, pulling it down to the lymph node area. I do this with every serum I put on. Pulling it in, make sure to get that neck area so that your neck don't look like it's aging. And this is my anti-aging hydrator, and I just pat that into my skin, making sure to get it in, blend it, make sure you just get those blood vessels going, you know. And any moisturizer that you use for your face, you could use for the thin areas of your skins, like the backs of your hands, the décolletage area, the neck, okay? And this is the Mighty Patch. I use this for blemishes. I had a really big blemish right there, honey. Yes, I had to put that away, leave that on overnight. And this is my lotion I use, okay? And look, see that glow, okay? Strike a pose, there's nothing to it, Vogue. This, see right there, see that? That's glow, baby, that's glow. You can't wipe that away. You can't wipe that away. Beauty for the next day begins at nighttime, okay? So you gotta get it right. And this right here is the patch. This is what came out of the blemish. And as you can see, the blemish is gone. What? Bye.